Hi guys, it's your granny Sabisa, and if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, keep watching. Hi guys, so today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing some knotless box braids on my hair, and right now I'm just showing y'all the braids. Now I'm going to undo this clip, and this is the piece of hair that I'm going to be demonstrating on. Right now I'm just going to take some Shine and Jam gel and just apply that to my hair so that the braid can be slick and secure, and I'm gonna just keep applying that all around the section. I'm trying to make sure that it's evenly throughout that piece of hair so that it's all covered with the Shine and Jam. And now I'm going to take a comb and just comb the product through my hair. Now I'm going to begin braiding. So I'm just going to take, well, I pulled out some edges so I don't braid my edges in the braid. But I'm going to take like a regular braid. You're going to take 3 pieces of hair out. And then what I'm doing might look a little bit complicated because once you get those 3 pieces, you want to just start braiding because you don't want to lose your pieces, and you want your grip. Like you want to have a tight grip. Like I messed up, so I said, let me start over because I didn't want my braid to be loose. So you're going to get your 3 pieces of hair, and you're going to start braiding down regularly with your natural hair. And you're going to start braiding like a regular braid. Now I just took my piece of braiding hair, and to add the hair in, I used my index finger and my thumb and just put that piece of hair in between and just continue braiding. But while I'm adding in the hair, I tighten up my grip even more so that the piece of hair that I added doesn't slip out. And by doing this, the tighter your grip is, the less it will look like you added hair. The braid will look more natural that way. So I'm just going to continue braiding the hair and continue braiding all the way down to the bottom. Also, I'm going to be Also, I am going to be doing a lift test, which you will see me do in the somewhere in this video, is where I lift my braid up to see if my braid is tight enough. Because if it's too tight, then you cannot lift your braids and put in a ponytail and stuff like that. So I'm just going to continue. Hi guys, so I got this side of my hair finished. Don't really look at this side. I pre-parted it. Yeah. But I just wanted to show you guys the hair that I did use. So this is the hair. No, this is the hair that I used right here. But yeah. right, you guys, I just want to show you the products and like the stuff that I used to do my braids. So the I used this shining gem to do my braids, and then I used like some hair clips to separate the hair while I'm doing it, to separate. And then to part, I use this rat tail comb. All right, you guys, I'm finished my braids and this is what they're looking like. So yeah, for my first time, I think I could have did better if I was doing like somebody else's hair. But for my first time doing it on me, I feel like it came out pretty good. Yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I like it. So yeah. Um, since you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah. Okay, she get gone, she